Hey guys, well, happy Father's Day to everybody's father, husband who's a father, significant other who's a father, to all the mothers who are fathers. Fill double roles. I hope you're having had an amazing Father's Day. Guess what? Our next video, I'm going to let you in on what's going on, my big surprise. So stay tuned for that, and if you want to, subscribe. If you don't, that's fine too. Just find out what's been going on and where I've been. You will understand why I'm not posting so much now. You'll understand why I'm not posting so much once you find out the big secret. And I'm almost ready to tell you, like I said, next video, I've already filmed it, so it will be up. This is going up Sunday, so probably Thursday I will have that one posted for you guys. But anyway, today's video, we are talking collage because I've been cleaning out some stuff and I found some fun collage materials. Then it got me hunting for other things you could do collage with if you didn't have fun collage materials. So come on, let's do a couple of fun collages. These could be journaling cards. These could be pages. These could be, you can make them into stickers even if you make small collages. It's really however you want to do them. You could make a page out of them. You could make it your cover. You could make it an artwork. Again, it's whatever you want to do with the cool collages you make. So come on, let's make a collage or two. Okay guys, so this is the collage material right here. These collage sheets, not those, hold on. These collage sheets from Dylusions, and I thought, let's make some fun collages with these. I haven't even opened them, or I've probably opened them, but it's been a while. They were buried at the bottom of some stuff. So let's just open it up and see what we have in each one of these. And I've just got a sheet of paper here. Like I said, you can do collage on a journal page, on a journaling card, whatever, however you want to do it. Okay, so I might have actually got these for Christmas one year. Not really 100% sure, but you have all different sizes. These are the bigger ones at this point. As you can see, they're really big. So we're gonna go to the smaller ones because my paper's smaller. Okay, and then here's just some of them. These are fun. These are easy to use. You could, put together a funny character, a collage really quick using these. All you have to do is cut them out and put them together however you see the collage being. So, let's see here. Let's do a pair of legs, maybe, or a dress. Let's see. So we're going to use this page right here. We're going to use that head with the neck, the bird head with the neck. We're going to use this dress. And some kind of background. I'm not sure we need some legs. Okay. And you just make it, and it can be silly, it can be funny. Maybe you have another image in mind for it. Just make it whatever you want. And if these are still available, I will look and see if they are on Amazon, because I'm sure if I got them for a gift, if I had received these as a gift, they came off of Amazon, I'm pretty sure. So I will check. If they're still available, I will hook them. I will link them down below. Anyway, let me cut this out really quickly. And with collage, you can make beautiful things. You can make silly things, scary things. You can make whatever you want. So there's our first one. There's our head. Then we get our dress over here. Okay, there's the dress. And we gotta do some legs. But before we do that, okay, I cut out the dog and the dress too. And then I'm gonna do this heart. And I'm going to, oh, I didn't pull any legs. Let's pull some legs. Do I have some legs that'll fit? Okay. So remember, when you're making these, make them however you want. If you want a background, great. If you don't, great. It's all good. Whatever you as the collage creator wants. So with the paper, my first collage is going to be this background. And I'm going to use my bird with its dress. And the legs I picked for it are these. And there you go. That is a simple way to create a collage using collage materials. I collaged the dress, the head, the feet, and the background. Another way, and then you just glue them down and that's it. This one is just as simple. You can use the heart with the dog and give her some feet. You could put a purse on there, whatever else. And this is using just the Dylusion collage materials. Now you might be going, oh, those are cute. I love those, but I don't have those and I really don't have the money right now to spend to make them. So let me show you how you can make some cute collages using maybe some things you have, like a magazine, maybe some paper dolls, something like this, okay? So first, let's go to the magazine. And I thumbed through here earlier, and what I was looking for was maybe something cartoony, something funny. And the first thing I found were these ducks, and they look like they're kind of freaked out. In fact, it says, what's happening? Okay, so that was the first thing. I thought, well, this would make part of a cute collage. The second thing I found was this cat peeking around at this cat food. So my idea is to do this. I'm going to take off that and I'm going to cut out the parts I want, which are the ducks and the words. I'm going to kind of do it like this, and then I'll come in and trim everything. Because this paper is so old, it's very, I don't know, old magazines feel weird. They have a weird feeling to them. Gotta be careful not to cut the duck's head off. Really hard to cut. So find 2 images from a magazine, not related at all, but that you think maybe convey humor or a good story together. So there's my ducks. That's gonna be my first image. And then the words, what's happening. I'm gonna cut what's happening in half. And we're gonna have our ducks here. We're gonna put our magazine words up at the top. Then I have my cat marked, but I'm also gonna look for some type of background. I want something with a lot of color. Let's use the flowers right here to be our background. And I don't know, this is an 80s magazine, and I don't know if y'all know, but in the 80s, cigarette ads were everywhere. And if you look at the magazines from the 80s, they are 90% cigarette ads, like everywhere. I don't know, it wasn't cool to smoke in the 80s, or at least I didn't, but I don't know. Okay, this is gonna be our background, so it's colorful, kind of pretty. We're gonna kind of use that too to go with our cat. So let's get our cat now. Okay, see, every other page is a cigarette ad. That just cracks me up. Take that, get that out of the way. And I'm gonna cut out just my cat. I'm not gonna cut out the cat food. I don't want the cat food. I want the cat. Oh, and the cat tail, of course. Gotta have the cat tail, right? So these are gonna be in parts. The head's gonna be in one part, the tail is gonna be in one part, and the little foot here is. So I got my cat head, I've got my tail. We're gonna put our ducks, and this is the foot. Okay, we're gonna put our ducks like they're in the garden. They look kind of freaked out there. We're gonna put our tail up here. We're gonna put our head right here. And it can hang off your paper. That's part of making it really funny and cool. And we'll put our foot behind there like that. And there is our cat. Our ducks are freaking out. And then we have our words. What's happening at the top? And as you can see, that is a great way, using random magazine pictures and words, to create a really funny collage. So if you don't have the Dylusions, or you don't have any, like, I don't know, I don't want to say professional, they're not professional, but if you don't have any made for collage materials, that's okay. You can create really cute ones out of magazines. And remember, not everything has to be so serious. Have fun with it. Let it hang off the page. It doesn't all have to fit on the page. It doesn't all have to be perfect. And it can be different things. So have fun and just get creative and mix some images up you find and create some collage. But guess what? You don't have to only do it with paper. You can make pretty collage images with little fabric scraps as well. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video all about collage. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button and that little bell if you haven't yet. I promise everything will make more sense to you in the next video, and videos will become more and more and more again. Just hang in there with me, that's all I ask. And don't forget, our word for the day is ripe tomatoes, because oh, I love some good summertime tomatoes. What is your favorite vegetable that you've looked forward to? Let me know down below in the comments. Take care. See you on Thursday. Bye guys.